Hello, we've all seen loop signs pinned up in churches and halls. What is that sign actually telling you? All it tells you is that there's a loop in the room. It doesn't tell you it's connected, it doesn't tell you it's working, it doesn't tell you it's been turned on. There's a new loop sign in town, the Connevans Lion. The Connevans Lion is an intelligent loop sign. The Connevans Lion will actually show you when the loop is working. This loop is not turned on at the moment, so therefore it just shows red. If I turn on the loop and start talking into it, the loop sign changes from being a red indication to being a green indication. The green is being turned on by the actual loop signal itself. The only way this loop sign can be turned on is by the loop sign detecting a loop induction signal coming from around the room. It is the Connevans Lion Intelligent Loop Sign.